fix deferred procedure calls and interrupt service routines. High CPU usage on Windows. 1. Let the task run and see if the high CPU usage issue continues. 2. Uninstall then reinstall network drivers. 3. Update drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Update BIOS. 5. Troubleshoot on Windows clean boot state. 6. Run DISM to repair corrupted system image. Commands include dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health.